Hello, let's make salad. Salad leaves, tomato, cucumber, cheese, bowl, knife. Wash the tomato. Wash the cucumber. Cut the salad leaves. Put the salad leaves in the bowl. Cut the tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in the bowl. Cut the cucumber. Put the cucumber in the bowl. Cut the cheese. Put the cheese in the bowl. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Put some salt. Put some pepper. Put some olive oil. Mix, mix, mix. Big knife? No. Butter knife? Yes.
Yummy!
Yummy. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.